Benji,
Your Highness.
I did not ask you to come back and resume your work because I wanted to. But it's because I am expected to, especially now that a particular opportunity presented itself. My daughters,
Father.
Something good is about to happen to this family. And that is something I've been keeping away from all of you for quite some time now. I think it's the right time to let the cats out of the bag. You all know popular Igwe Ohazurike of Imam Kingdom.
Yes, Father.
Good.
I love him.
His second son, Ifeanyi Chukwu, is about to choose a bride.
Wow.
But again, he must choose the bride from the royal line.
Yeah.
Automatically, that means the royal family must be favored. That means one of my daughters must be favored.
You don't mean it. Father.
Good. Thank God that you're here. So, I deemed it wise to broach all of you on this. And that was why I had to invite Benjamin. Because that marriage must be consummated in one condition. That the bride in question must be...
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.